Zoom Rooms comes with digital signage. You can make company announcements and share relevant information, including celebrate wins, so much that you can do with digital signage. All you need is a Zoom Room supported hardware. In this case, you see plenty behind me, or a specific digital signage appliance. I've got two options here, one Yealink Room Cast or an Azul stick. The benefit of digital signage is vast across so many different organizations. And because we're Zoom, we can flare this to the next level. Let me show you how it all works. Make sure you have at least one Zoom Room license and you'll see the room management in Zoom Room. Creating a Zoom Room is simple enough. Just select the appropriate room type that you want. If you want digital signage only, not a problem. This is going to put a digital signage player in your front lobby as an example. You don't need external calendaring service. You just want to make sure that you do select the appropriate location hierarchy. That's going to be pretty important when you go through the motion of selecting digital signage, let's say for the entire country, the entire state, the building, floor, etc. In my case here, I'm on the 6th floor. And if I want to create content for all of the 6th floor, I can go ahead and choose to upload some files. So let's say if I want to bring up the food drive or employee of the month, maybe some videos, you just select the files there. Another option is you can give access to different people in your organization to create content. So think marketing, HR, front receptionist, they can actually upload the content and choose to put the slide deck, etc., onto that particular digital signage player, or for all of your Zoom rooms in all of the locations specified, and the same with playlists. So let's say here, if I want to put this particular video or this playlist, etc., that I've created, I can go ahead and add that item. I can specify how long things are going to play for and when they expire. You have the option to choose different layouts and the like. So overall, this is pretty primitive, pretty simple to do, huge benefit in the simplicities that anyone can do it, and it's easily accessible. Now, because we are Zoom, there is so many other things that you can do in addition to just uploading content. One, we support URLs, instructional videos of how to use a Zoom room, such as wireless content sharing. You can also select Zoom assets like Zoom Phone real-time wallboards and contact center dashboards, workspace reservations. All of these are a huge benefit to add-ons at what you can do beyond just a basic. All of your Zoom rooms can be configured in the portal. As you can see, I've got all of them here. If I want to find just digital signage only, just select that underneath the filter. I can even find specific ones for a particular floor. If you want to edit a particular digital signage player, in this case in the front lobby, just select that and make that adjustment. Keep in mind that underneath the room profile is where you can also designate the device operational time and room admins. When you are using one of these players, you do need to make sure that they are running the Zoom Room software. You're probably going to need a keyboard and mouse for the first time, and sign on with the activation code that you will get from your Zoom portal. I have digital signage playing behind me, as you can see. Now, because we also have integration with our platform, one other benefit is you can push out evacuation warnings to all of your digital signage player. This will interrupt a Zoom call that's in session inside of the conference room, as well as your digital signage content that's playing. Stop the alert by simply select Stop the Alert. So many advantages to digital signage. Give us a try, and if you have any further questions, reach out to your Zoom account executive. Thank you and have a great day.